Mrs. O'Hara.
Good morning, Mrs. Murphy. Good morning, Thackley, and welcome to our special singing assembly this week. We have gone for a film theme. Mrs. Murphy, what's that behind you?
Well, as we've got a film theme, I thought that I might go for some Star Wars figures, although I know we don't really sing Star Wars in the singing assembly. Da, 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 da. But so we won't be singing that today. We thought we'd go more for the animated film kind this week. So
yes,
go on.
Oh, I was just going to say, I think lots of families have maybe over the last few weeks having some lovely movie evenings and cuddling up with a good film and some popcorn. I know we have it at our house.
Especially when it's been rubbish weather. It's all right when it's sunny weather, but yeah. So are we ready to do the first one? Which film's it from, Mrs. O'Hara?
It is from Toy Story.
Yeah, let me get it up on the screen. And there we go. We've been practicing this one in singing assembly, so you should all know it anyway. Are we ready?
Ready when you are.
Oh, I've just got to rewind it back to the beginning. Here we go.
I do like that song.
It's great, isn't it? Well, look what we've been playing in our house. We've been playing Toy Story Dominoes. That song fits very well with what we've been up to today.
No, and if you watch all of those Toy Story films back to back, that's a real movie marathon. You wouldn't have to move off the sofa for hours.
Oh, I do love a bit of Toy Story, but I also love a bit of the next film that we've got a song from. You know I love this song.
I think we all love this song. Didn't you sing this secretly one week? You sneak it in there now and again, don't you, when I'm not looking?
Possibly when you're not there. I can't help it. I just like to put my favourites in. So let's see if I can just escape this bit.
It is a really good one to belt really loudly when we get to the big chorus in the middle.
It is. I'm just trying to get out of it.
It's quite a technical and tricky song, though.
It's great. I love to belt it out. Have you guessed what we're going to sing yet?
I think they can see it.
Can they see it? Right, let's just make it a little bit bigger. Put it on the full screen. And then we can have a go at belting this one out. I might turn my microphone off for this one. Right, are we ready?
Ready when you are.
Let it go. Funny how some distance makes everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. But I no longer hope to be let it go, let it go. I'm one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I'll stay. Let this always love. Like how a flurries through the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling in frozen frets of around. I walk on crystal and it's like an empty land. I'm never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go, let it go. I'll rise at the break of dawn. Let it go, let it go. That broken drum is on. Here I stand till the light of day. Let the storm break through. Oh, never bother me anyway. Ah, I love that one.
I think I can nearly hear you from my house, Mrs. Murphy.
Did you have your windows open, Mrs. O'Hara?
I did.
Well, the next one sums up just how those flowers in your house are making me feel.
They smell very strong. I've got them quite near. They're quite strong.
Oh, they're lovely. They look really lovely. So this song is from Minions, isn't it?
It is one of a favourite in our house. There's always lots of funny bits that make us laugh. So we do like this film.
Oh, I'm sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background as well. She's desperate to come in. I've said no, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. You'll have to wait until we finish the singing, and then we'll be able to. Oh, hang on, get the right
that one.
lyrics in. Hang on, that one. There we go.
Oh no.
Oh, is that the right one?
Want the other one as well. Melody 2 as well.
Melody 1 and Melody 2. There we go. Yeah. Right. Let's just zoom that in a little bit. Here we go. Are you ready, Mrs. O'Hara?
I will try my best with clapping in time.
I seem crazy, what am I to say? Don't try and cheese here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the end, I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy, if you feel like you're breathing out of room. Because I'm happy, if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy, if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, if you feel like that's what you want to do. Because feel like that's what you wanna do. Bring me down, got nothing. Bring me down, the level's too high. Bring me down, got nothing. Bring me down, I said, tell you now. Bring me down, got nothing. Bring me down, the level's too high. Bring me down, got nothing. Bring me down, I said, cause I'm happy. Like a roommate. Cause I'm happy, you feel like happiness is true. Because I'm happy, you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, you feel like that's what you wanna do. Because I'm happy, you feel like a roommate. Because I'm happy, you feel like happiness is true. Because I'm happy, you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, you feel like that's what you want to do. Happy, too high. Happy, down. I said, because I'm happy, you feel like a roommate in my room. Because I'm happy, you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy, you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, you feel like that's what you want to do. Because I'm happy, you feel like a roommate in my room. Because I'm happy, you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy, you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy, you feel like that's what you want to do. Yay! Happy!
Yay.
I don't know what happened to the words at the end there.
Oh, I think by that point we knew what we were singing, didn't we? It gets quite repetitive at the end.
Yes. You didn't know the words by then, surely. Happy?
Yes.
Very happy. Well, that's cheered me up no end, that has, today on this Wednesday singing assembly. Favourite time of the week again?
Definitely.
But then I feel sad because it's come to an end.
Well, it'll be round to Wednesday again before you know it, Mrs. Murphy.
Oh, I can't wait. I wonder what we can sing next week. Well, if you've got any requests and there's anything that you want to sing, you can just pop it in an email to your teacher and they'll pass it on to us at the email addresses that you've been using. So, yeah, can't wait.
Yeah. Look forward to it. We will see you next week, Thackley. Take care.
Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye. I hit my flowers.